Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Alright, boom. So I got some hair today. This is what the package came. This is how the package came from Asteria. Ooh, y'all, this is the hair. I got a medium size cap, HD lace, 30 inches, medium size, 180 density. Though the sizing, I don't know. I really don't know what size I am, so I just went with medium. Replugged. Well, honestly, I don't know. Oh wow, this is super soft. Yeah, I did not wet the hair or none of that. I'm just literally just gonna go ahead and start plucking. I don't like to bleach the knots, so I'm gonna go in with this spray. It's like a tanning spray. Oh yeah, and I overplucked right here, yeah. Well, not overplucked, but like I cut a hole in my frontal, yikes. I'm gonna start from right here first. But like I still see some brown, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wash it a little bit. Just wash the hair a little bit, not the actual frontal. So I just put some shampoo right here, and I'm just gonna rinse that out. Now this is so pretty. This is how long it is, y'all. The hair is so cute. Honestly, I did not have time to redo these old ass braids. Am I cute? Yeah, I did not have time to redo these old ass braids, so we just gonna slick it back. You feel me? The actual wig cap that came with it. If it's too light, you could literally just put some foundation or something on it. I do want this to last a good 5 days, so I'm not gonna use Got To Be Sprayed for mine. I'm gonna use Bow Hold. Okay, this is like the hardest part, cutting off the ears. Okay, some alcohol, and I'm gonna just clean my forehead up. Where my lace is gonna go. glue on here. To play around with these baby ears. I'm about to really play with them, so I don't think I'm gonna record. My camera about to die anyways. I am so, I don't know if I'm tired or like drowsy. I don't know what it is. Oh yeah, I didn't show y'all the baby hairs. Facts. This is what your girl came up with for me. Try something a little exotic or whatever. Literally cannot find none of my brushes, but I have this and we just gonna make it work with this. This hair? Shit me. Let me show y'all length. Okay, y'all ready for length? This is over my butt. This is literally over my butt. It's given. It's really given. It's literally given. Wait, don't know if I like the middle part. Wait. I really finesse these baby hairs and they just gotta be seen out in the open. Remove. The hair is drying up already and obviously it's gonna poof up. I don't have any mousse, so probably when I get to where I'm going or at the airport, I'm gonna go ahead and get some. Honestly, I think I am done. Let me send it one more time so y'all can see how it's looking now. with the middle part. Anyways, I'm pretty much done, but the edges are like lifting, which is kind of weird because what? I need to make them sleep, okay? Yeah, so I'm pretty much done, y'all. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.